War on drugs na yan, for the record, na talagang gusto ko rin talagang masugpo yung drugs na yan. But as to how or to the manner, hindi ko alam yan, hindi ako kasama dyan. But
What would you
kung hindi
have
yan
done,
ginawa ni President Duterte, baka maging worse pa tayo kaysa sa Mexico and Colombia ngayon.
Just in case, sir, if you were back, what would you have done differently?
Well, siguro kung yung mga excesses na hindi naman natin matatanggi na mayroong excesses noon during those times, baka kung ako'y may influence noon, baka dapat naiwasan yon. But to tell you frankly, even though I am the classmate of the President and I was appointed as Secretary of Justice, isa lang ako doon sa mabababang mga cabinet member. Hindi tayo yung bang malakas na.